And now we'd like to have a basic instruction for our hot air gun ZX1600 with 60,000 watts. As you can see, the material for the main body was PA66 and the silicone material in the bottom, in the middle, and the metal tube, which is very shiny. You can see here is the adjustable switch to adjust the temperature from 1 to 9. The max temperature can reach 150. The code is 3 meters long with a customer's plug. And here is the fittings, the nodes, the insulation tube, ceramic heating elements, a ruler, knives. Here is very important head insulation gaskets to avoid the main body from damage. The ceramic, the plastic material is very easy damaged from under high temperature. The main body, the material, the color can be customized. As you can see, the blue, red, black, and green. Thanks.